The zen of making Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece to fit a Psardo special. Of course, the harp's been sealed totally. And then this is the slider. There's no hole yet. I will mention that there's many elements of shaping this. The underside has to be like glass and fit the mouthpiece absolutely perfectly. And then the outer shape is very important. This has just a hint of a flat part on top to kind of match that mouthpiece, but it's a comfy rounded one, but not too thick. Anyway, here we go. What does it do? Eliminates friction of the lip to the mouthpiece. The mouthpiece goes left and right. The lip sits here. It will have a hole drilled in it, the same size as this hole, square. But not today. Today was shaping. Keeps the harp clean. Harps don't get dirty. Easy movement to new note hole positions. You can clip notes with it. Different attack on the note. The Zen Kettlewell Frictionless Mouthpiece. Slider.